I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start right away. Park level, set the parking brake and switch the engine off. Once done, open the fuel door and don gloves and eye protection because fuel fumes and grime are present. You're doing this to access the tether mounting clip where the tether meets the filler neck. Use a flashlight if needed. Make sure to note how the cap attaches, thread, bayonet, or snap, because the removal technique depends on that connection. Remove the cap by turning or unclipping it per its style. Now you'll remove the tether from its mount. Once the cap is off, expose the fastener, clip, screw, or rivet holding the tether. Use the correct tool, needle nose pliers to unclip, a Phillips or flat screwdriver to pry, or a nut driver for bolts. Make sure to support the filler neck with your free hand so you don't stress plastic parts. Work slowly and apply steady pressure. If a fastener resists, try penetrating oil and a short soak before retrying to avoid breakage. Finish by extracting the tether once the fastener is free, guide it away from the filler neck to avoid snagging. Inspect the mating surfaces and the cap for cracks or melted plastic. Replace parts if damaged. When installing a new tether, follow the original routing and torque fasteners to spec. Make sure the cap seats and the fuel door closes flush. Finally, test by securing the cap and checking for fuel odor or leaks. If the cap won't seal, recheck tether routing and fastener tightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.